Hello student, how are you? In last video lecture we studied the determination of activation energy by using Arrhenius equation, then role of catalyst on rate of chemical reaction. Now we are going to start the numericals. Okay, I am writing the numerical number first into the board. So first of all I am speak for chemical reaction, reactant R is converted into product. The concentration of reactant changes from 0.03 molar to 0.02 molar in 25 minutes. Calculate rate of chemical reaction. Okay, so first of all we have to write rate of chemical reaction or average rate of reaction. Okay, this is our given equation. Reactant R is converted into product P. So first of all you have to understand that the stoichiometric coefficient of reactant R is 1 and product P is also 1. So you have to calculate rate of chemical reaction with respect to concentration of reactant or with respect to concentration of product. That is rate of consumption of reactant and rate of formation of product. Answer must be equal, so don't worry about that. So first of all we have to write the given data for this numerical number first. So what is the given data? So given data. So for the reaction R is equal to R, which gives P. The concentration of reactant changes from 0.03 molar to 0.02 molar. It means 0.03 molar are the initial concentration. Initial concentration. Now symbolic representation. So R, reactant means R. Initial concentration of reactant is given by symbol R1. Okay, that is equal to 0.03 molar. Okay, now what is the final concentration? Final concentration, that is equal to R2. If there it is B, then B1, B2. If there it is X, then X1, X2. So, in that way. So, final concentration is given by 0.02 molar. Okay. Now, in 25 minutes, in there it is a time. So, I want to write initial time. Initial time. So, what is the initial time in given equation? So, I think initial time must be 0 because reaction takes place in 25 minutes. म्हणजे सुरू झाले 0 मिनिटाला. So, initial time, that is symbolic letter T1, 0 minute. Then final time is equal to T2 is equal to 25 minutes. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate rate of reaction with respect to concentration of reactant or concentration of product. So answer must be equal. Okay, so we have to calculate in terms of reactant. So the stoichiometric coefficient of reactant is 1. So our main point is minus sign indicate reactant side only. Minus sign is added to only reactant side. So minus del in bracket R divided by dt is equal to question mark. So this is our how to calculate for us. Okay, this is our basic data. Please take a screenshot of that basic data. Okay, now let's solve that particular example. Okay, so let us see reactant R is converted into product. Then our point is rate of reaction is equal to minus in bracket R divided by del T. So we have to simplify it or modify it. R2 minus R1 divided by T2 minus T1. Molar concentration always expressed in square bracket. So change is given by R2 minus R1, and this change del is given by T2 minus T1. So what is the value? So negative sign I am forgetting here. So minus R2 minus R1, because the negative sign is added to the reactant side. Okay. Now let's solve that. R2, what is the value of R2? This is the value of R1 and this is the value of R2. That is equal to minus sign. Minus R2, it gives 0.02 minus, what is the value of R1? 0.03 divided by, what is the final time? That is 25 minutes. What is the initial time? That is 0 minute. Okay. Now what is our next step? We have to minus it. So I think the minus 0.02 minus 0.03 indicate 0.01. So 0.02 minus 0.03, it indicates minus 0.01. Minus 0.01. Okay. Divided by 25 minus 0, that is equal to 25. Okay. Now how to solve this? I am not using calculator here, so it is so easy for this equation, this example. 1 divided by 25, I think 1 upon 25, it indicates 0.04. 1 divided by 25, एकाचा 25वा भाग म्हणजे 0.04 आणि हे 0.0 म्हणजे 0. I think minus minus it gives plus 0.0004. Okay, so I think I am writing in that way 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. 4 into the 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, then what is the unit for that given equation is? So what is the unit of rate of reaction? Mole per dm cube, because concentration is expressed in molarity. Molarity means mole per dm cube. And time inverse. Time inverse because time expressed in second, minute, hour. So I am writing here particular. Time inverse means, now this example is given in terms of minute. So minute inverse. Okay, if are there in second, so second inverse. Hour, so hour inverse. So this is our equation numerical number first. Now let us move to the numerical number 2. Okay, the rate of reaction A plus B, which gives product, is 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second when concentration of A is 0.2 molar and concentration of B is 0.1 molar. Calculate K if the reaction is second order with respect to A and first order with respect to B. First of all, we have to write correct given data for this numerical. So we get given data. Okay, now one by one, the rate of reaction for this reaction is, then R, rate of reaction means ROR is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second when concentration of A is equal to 0.2 molar, concentration of B is equal to 0.1 molar. Calculate K. K means rate constant. K is equal to question mark if the reaction is second order with respect to A and first order with respect to B. In previous example, there is a rate law is already given to us, but in this numerical we don't get rate law directly, so we have to prepare it manually. So now how to write general equation? R is equal to K in bracket A in bracket B. There is the coefficient of x and y. Please remind that. Okay, this is general equation. Now with that format, I want to write the correct rate law for this equation. So R is equal to K in bracket A in here it is directly given second order with respect to A. So I want to write the value of X is 2 and first order with case of B. So B in terms of Y. So there is first order. Okay, so first of all I am writing the correct expression for rate law by using this numerical. Okay, now what we have to calculate, that is we have to calculate K. So we want to K in put in left side. So what is our next step? K is equal to R divided by A in bracket A to the power 2 in bracket B to the power 1. Okay, now this is the basic data to write correct basic pattern to write correct appropriate numerical. Now putting the value in this equation we get, so I am erasing that now. Putting the value of this in equation we get K is equal to, what is the value of R? I am seeing there 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second divided by, what is the value of A? So A concentration is equal to 0.2 molar, but in here second order with respect to A, then I think it is square. Then what is the value of B? 0.1 molar to the power 1. We don't need to write power 1 because it is already there if we can't write it. So K is equal to, first of all we have to solve. I am putting as it is 3.6 to the power 10 to the power minus 2 molar per second. Then 0.2 into 2. So 0.2 into 0.2. 0.2 into 0.2, that is 0.04 m square. M square. Molarity square. Into 0.1 into 1, that is 0.1. Okay. So what is our next step to write? So I am writing here. So K is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 2 m oblique s divided by 0.04 into 0.1, that is 0 is added to 0.004. 0.004. Okay, m square into m, that is m square plus 1. गुणाकारामध्ये बेरीज होणार ना घातांकाची 2 आणि 1, m cube. Okay, alternatively I can write here K is equal to, I want to write clearly. So if I change the pattern, that is 36 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what we get? 36 into 10 to the power minus 3 m oblique s divided by 1, 2, 3, that is 4 into the power 10 to the power minus 3 m cube. Okay, so what we cancel out? 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 3 is cancelled out. So final answer we directly get K is equal to 9. Okay, 9.0, 10 to the power not remaining, so m cube is going there, so m to the power minus 2. 3 आहेत वरती गेल्यावरती हे 3, 3 मधनं 1 गेला 2 वजा 2, सेकंड इनवर्स 9.0 or 9. This is the correct answer of this given problem. Okay, this is our problem number 2. Now let us move to the third problem. Our third numerical is, in a reaction, price of A which gives product the concentration of A decreases from 0.5 mole per liter to 0.4 mole per liter in 600 seconds. Calculate rate during this interval. Okay, this is our numerical number third. First of all, we have to write correct given data. That is our basic need. Correct given data. First of all, we have to write it clearly. So, the concentration of A decreases from 0.5 mole per liter to 0.4. That is reactant A. So, concentration of reactant A is given by in bracket A. So, initial concentration is given by initial concentration, that is A1. Okay. If reactant X decreases, then initial concentration X1. Reactant P decreases, so initial P1 and final P2. So, initial concentration is equal to 0.5 mole per liter. Okay, then what about final concentration? Final concentration is equal to A2 is equal to 0.4 mole per liter. Okay, in 600 seconds, that is we have to give one time. Time is equal to 600 seconds. Now, first of all, we have to write clearly regarding time. So, I think initial time and final time. Let us say initial time reaction 600 seconds ला पूर्ण झाली म्हणजे initial time will be 0 second and final time, that is T2, will be 600 second. Calculate rate during this reaction. Hence, R is equal to question mark. R is equal to question mark. This is how to write the correct given data in given example. Okay. Now, calculate rate. So, we have to solve this. R is equal to, first of all, we have to write correct rate of reaction in given equation. So, we have to provide that twice of A which gives product. Hence, we have to write minus because negative sign is added to the reactant side. Okay, minus, then 1 by 2. 1 by 2, how I am writing 1 by 2 like this? Because I am telling you the rule. Change in concentration of species with respect to time, or this is called as rate of reaction. Now, rule says change in concentration of species is divided by its stoichiometric coefficient. The stoichiometric coefficient is 2. So, अंश किती झाला? 1. Okay, minus 1 by 2 A divided by, in bracket A divided by delta T. Okay, now what is the meaning of delta A? That is final concentration minus initial concentration. Delta A. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 A2 in bracket A2 minus in bracket A1 divided by T2 minus T1 divided by T2 minus T1. Okay, this is the basic data for solving the numerical. Okay, now putting the exact value in that equation, we get, now I am first of all I am erasing that. So, R is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, what is the value of A2? What is the value of A2? That is A1, A2, 0.4. What is the value of A1? 0.5 divided by T2. What is the value of T2? 600 minus what is the value of T1? 0 second. Okay. Therefore, R is equal to minus 1 by 2 in bracket 0.4 minus 0.5, that is minus 0.1. Okay, 600 minus 0, that is 600. Okay, now we have to solve this. Therefore, R is equal to minus minus cancel out, minus minus cancel out. So 0.1 only remain there, 0.1 divided by 600 into 2, 600 into 2, that is 1200, 1200. I think if we solve this equation, we get the final answer. I am telling you directly answer for this equation. तुम्हाला हे जमेल. So 8.33 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per liter second inverse, because time indicate in seconds. So this is the correct answer for given numerical number third. Okay. Let us move to the fourth numerical, that is what is the order with respect to each of reactant and overall order of the following reaction. Now here it is, reaction A consists twice of NO gas plus twice of H2 gas, which gives N2 gas plus twice of H2O gas. Rate law is found to be R is equal to K in bracket NO to the power 2, H2 to the power 1. Okay, first of all we have to write what is the order with respect to each of reactant. प्रत्येक reactant ची order लिहायची आहे, नंतर सगळ्या total reaction ची order लिहायची. First equation A consists, rate law, R is equal to K in bracket NO to the power 2 in bracket H2 to the power 1. So what we have to write here? So what is the definition of order of reaction? Order of reaction means sum of power of concentration of reactant. रिएक्टंटचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये दाखवतो, त्यांच्या पॉवरची बेरीज म्हणजे ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. ओके, आता आपल्याला काय लिहायचं, ईच ऑफ रिएक्टंट. ओके, प्रत्येक रिएक्टंटची ऑर्डर आणि ओव्हरऑल ऑर्डर. मग आता NO हा जो रिएक्टंट आहे त्याची ऑर्डर किती झाली, सेकंड झाली, बिकॉज जनरल इक्वेशन काय सांगतं, जनरल इक्वेशन असं सांगतं ना, R इज इक्वल टू K A टू द पॉवर X B टू द पॉवर Y. X ची किंमत 2 झाली, Y ची किंमत 1 झाली. ओके, म्हणजे आता रिएक्टंट आपण A आणि B च्या जागी ऍक्च्युअल रिएक्टंट घेतले. सो सेकंड ऑर्डर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू NO. ओके, अँड दिस first order with respect to hydrogen, and overall order will be twice plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. This is our first A equation. This is second order with respect to NO, first order with respect to hydrogen, and overall order will be sum of power of concentration of reactant, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, then equation B consists CHCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas, which gives CCl4 gas plus HCl gas. Rate law is found to be R is equal to K in bracket CHCl3 in bracket Cl2 to the power half. Okay, now first of all we have to solve. Rate is equal to K in bracket CHCl3 in bracket Cl2 to the power 1/2. Okay, now each of reactant number first, that is CHCl3. The power of stoichiometric coefficient, not stoichiometric coefficient, power of CHCl3 is 1. So it indicates first order kinetics. Now power of Cl2, that is 1/2. So the Cl2 consists half order reaction, because I'm already telling you the order of reaction may be 0, may be fraction, or may be in whole numbers. So you don't need to express by yourself. So you just only calculate or write where the stoichiometric coefficient, that is half, so it gives half order. Then overall order of reaction will be sum of power of concentration of reactant, that is 1 plus 1 half. 1 plus 1 half. Okay, that is 1.5, but I am not writing in that way, so we have to write 3 by 2. 3 by 2. एक अधिक अर्धा म्हणजे दीड झालं, पण you don't have rights to write like this 1.5. You just have to write 3 by 2. You are already know because you have balanced equation in redox reaction chapter in last year. So we have to write like this. This is 3 by 2 order. Overall order will be 3 by 2. So this is really very easy numerical for 1 marks. Okay. So now let us move to the homework. Now homework for you. I am giving 2 easy example for your homework. Number first, the reaction twice of NO gas plus Cl2 gas which give twice of NaCl is half 1 by 2 order in Cl2 and second order in NO. Write rate law. So I am not giving you to calculate order of reaction. I am giving the example. You have to write rate law with using this equation. Okay. So example number 2 is the rate of first order reaction A, which gives B, is 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 6 molar per second. When concentration of A is 0.3 molar, calculate rate constant of the reaction. I am giving you 2 easy example for your homework. Now in this video lecture, I am taking easy to average numericals. Now in our next video lecture, we are going to range 1 by 1, difficulty level I am increases by 1 by 1, step by step. In this video lecture, I am giving only easy to average numericals for you to understanding rate law, order of reaction and how to calculate rate of reaction. Okay, in next video lecture, the difficulty level is must be increasing. Okay, hopefully you have understanding the numericals which is based on rate law, order of reaction and to calculate rate constant. Okay, thank you.